everybody, this is an update on the baby birds. There they are. They want their mom to give them food. There's 4 of them in here, but it's kind of hard to see the 4th one in the back since you pretty much can only see the front 3. There's 1, there's 2, and over there is this 3. Yeah, I know. Yeah, it's asking me for food, but I don't have any for it. That's why it's opening its mouth. Since right now it doesn't have the best eyes, so it doesn't know, well, really its mom, dad, or another animal. Bye, everybody.